Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this must-see property in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in the beautiful town of Kingfield. As we begin our tour, you'll immediately notice the 3 spacious bedrooms, perfect for a growing family or accommodating guests. Moving on, we enter the living room, a warm and inviting space where you can relax and unwind. Adjacent to this, we have the family room, complete with a propane wall heater that doesn't require electricity to run, a real lifesaver during power outages. Next, we have the kitchen, a chef's dream with ample space for cooking and entertaining. For those who work from home, the office space provides a quiet and comfortable area to focus. The workshop and laundry room add to the functionality of this home. One of the standout features of this property is the 2-car garage with direct access and storage space above, providing all the room you need for your vehicles and belongings. The home boasts beautiful wood floors in both downstairs and upstairs rooms, adding a touch of elegance and warmth. You can cozy up to one of the 2 fireplaces on chilly evenings. The house stays warm in winter and cool in summer. As we step outside, you'll be captivated by the large backyard with the Stanley Steamer running the length of the back of the property, creating a serene setting for outdoor entertainment. This home is also one of the previous homes of the Stanley family of Stanley Steamer fame. This amazing place could be your home, getaway, or investment property, all for the price of $299,000 by the time of recording this video. Thank you for joining me on this tour, and I hope you've fallen in love with this home as much as I have. If you would like to know more about this home and it's still available, please click on the link in the description under property link.